Something strange just hit the open seas, a giant oil tanker, silent waters, and the world that was watching. The sea, the ship at the center, Marinera, and somebody calls it Bella 1 as well. A vessel accused of running a secret shadow fleet for Russia, Venezuela, and Iran. Well, this was not an ordinary cargo ship. It was part of a web designed to dodge sanctions, and the stakes, they were high. The United States and allies, they had been tracking it. They claimed the tanker was breaking rules, moving oil that it shouldn't. US forces planned to intercept it in the Caribbean, but the vessel turned, it fled and disappeared from the radar. And then something striking happened. The ship changed its name to Marinera. It flew a Russian flag and quietly it sailed towards European waters. After that, Moscow reacted, but not with force here. Instead of jets or warships, Kremlin protested in words, calling the seizure piracy and warning the US of consequences as well. Basically, no immediate military retaliation, just statements and tensions that were mounting. The US strikes back. After tracking the tanker for weeks, special teams boarded it between Iceland and Scotland. The ship was escorted into Scottish water. This wasn't just a capture, it was a message to the world. Changing a ship's name does not erase responsibility. Flying a different flag does not give immunity. Washington is watching and Washington will act. Here's the bigger picture. Marinera is part of a larger network of oil ships avoiding sanctions. Russia has been helping by reflagging them. Now, this isn't just about one ship. It's about control of global energy and maritime power. You know why this matters? Well, Russia protested loudly, but the lack of action tells us something. Moscow may be too stretched or too cautious. Direct confrontation with the US is risky for them. Well, this is war without bombs. No battlefield, no tanks, just ships, flags, and strategy. Let me conclude this for you. One mysterious tanker was there, a long ocean chase, flags changing, superpowers watching. This is more than a ship. It's a test of who controls the rules of the sea and who dares to enforce them.